Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use GPS on your Fitbit Charge 6. Your Charge 6 is a versatile fitness tracker, offering both built-in and connected GPS options. This means you can track your outdoor activities, like running or cycling, with or without your smartphone. We'll cover how to activate and utilize both methods to ensure you get the most accurate data for your workouts. Understanding these features will help you seamlessly integrate GPS tracking into your fitness routine, providing valuable insights into your performance and routes. To use the built-in GPS, simply start an outdoor exercise mode directly from your Charge 6, such as a run or a bike ride. Make sure your device has a clear view of the sky to quickly acquire a satellite signal. Once connected, your Charge 6 will display real-time pace and distance right on your wrist, freeing you from carrying your phone. This independent tracking is perfect for those times you want to go light, allowing you to focus solely on your activity. For connected GPS, ensure your smartphone's Bluetooth and location services are enabled, and keep your phone with you during your workout. Your Charge 6 will then automatically leverage your phone's GPS signal, which can often provide more consistent and accurate data, especially in urban areas or places with limited satellite visibility. This dynamic approach ensures you always have the best possible tracking, whether you're exploring new routes or sticking to familiar paths, and can also help conserve your tracker's battery. To optimize your GPS tracking, wear your Charge 6 snugly, about 1 finger's width above your wrist bone. Regularly syncing your device with the Fitbit app helps ensure it has the most current satellite data, improving connection speed and accuracy. Remember that continuous GPS use significantly impacts battery life, reducing it to approximately 5 hours. For longer activities, plan accordingly. By following these tips, you'll maximize the precision of your workout data and get the most out of your Charge 6.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.